So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 4 questions to answer on the topic electric field. So guys, this video will be about storage of charges. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, which of the following components is used for storing electric charges? We have A, resistor, B, electrometer, C, capacitor, D, inductor. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's the capacitor. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. So that's question number 2 here. It says, calculate the energy stored in a 20 microfarad capacitor if the potential difference between the plates is 40 volts. So guys, for this, we're going to simply make use of the formula E is equal to half CV squared. So where C here is 20 microfarads, that's 20 times 10 to the power of negative 6, or we can say 2.0 times 10 to the power of negative 5. And then the voltage here is 40 volts, so you're going to square it. That's 40 times 40. So half CV squared is 2.0 times 10 to the power of negative 5 times 40 times 40, then all over 2. So guys, here, if you calculate this, we're going to get 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 2. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So that's question number 3 here. It says, which of the following devices is used for storing electric charges? We have A, potentiometer, B, ammeter, C, capacitor, D, transformer. So guys, obviously we've answered this question before, and that's the capacitor. Capacitor is used for storing electric charges, and that's the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. That's question number 4 here. It says, which of the following statements is not an advantage of an alkaline accumulator? We have A, it can be recharged. B, it has low internal resistance. C, it has a much longer life than lead acid. D, the electrolyte does not need attention. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. So that's it for this question, and this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.